Lawmakers say they are more than frustrated with Erie County Child Protective Services, and they want some changes made that will prevent fatal cases of abuse. They're speaking out one day after the memorial for Eain Smith, a 3-year-old police say died from blunt force trauma. News 4's Alicia Rodriguez is following this story for us tonight. Alicia?
And Diana, it is an issue News 4 continues to follow, and the killing of 3-year-old Eain Smith is now prompting the county legislature to also take another look at how Child Protective Services operates.
The scrutiny began after the deaths of 5-year-old Eain Brooks and 10-year-old Abdi Mohamud. Both Buffalo children endured abuse and had some contact with Erie County Child Protective Services before they were killed. Shortly after, County Legislator Betty Jean Grant submitted a resolution to reorganize and fund a community coordinating council to advocate for children in the community.
We have to prevent our children from being in harm's way.
But then earlier this month, 3-year-old Eain Smith was killed, also a victim of abuse. So far, there is no official word on whether CPS was ever called to look into her situation.
I understand that there is a need for some privacy, obviously, but there needs to be some transparency when you're talking about little children and you're talking about their lives.
As chair of the Health and Human Services Committee, legislator Lynn Dixon wants to take a closer look at CPS and enact further reform.
We haven't done the necessary work to really take a good look at CPS and dive into the real issues.
But legislator Grant says one group can't fix it all. She hopes the Community Coordinating Council will bring together several agencies to take a broad look at the issue.
Eain Smith, regardless of whether she was or not on Child Protective Services, she was being abused in that home. And I think that had he not been involved, there's so much that had him involved a long time ago.
There is also a renewed effort on the state level to reform CPS. Senator Tim Kennedy and Assemblywoman Crystal Peoples-Stokes are working to get legislation passed. Alicia Rodriguez, News 4 at 5:30.